Dactinomycin. Dactinomycin. Hashtag formulations, dactinomycin injection. Hashtag pharmacological_action. It is a very potent peptide antineoplastic drugs, highly efficacious in Wilms tumor and childhood rhabdomyosarcoma. Dactinomycin has been combined with MTX for cure of choriocarcinoma, or may be used in MTX-resistant cases. Good results have also been obtained in Ewing sarcoma and metastatic testicular carcinoma. In addition to blocking RNA transcription, it causes single-strand breaks in DNA. Hashtag side_effects, vomiting, stomatitis, diarrhea, erythema, and desquamation of skin, alopecia, and bone marrow depression. Hashtag dose, 15 UG/kg IV daily for 5 days. Hashtag therapeutic_uses, used as antineoplastic drugs. Doxorubicin hydrochloride. Doxorubicin hydrochloride. Hashtag formulations, doxorubicin HCl tablet IP. Doxorubicin HCl injection IP. Doxorubicin HCl injection BP. Hashtag pharmacological_action. It intercalate between DNA strands and block DNA as well as RNA synthesis. They combine with and activate topoisomerase -2, causing breaks in DNA. They also generate quinone-type free radicals. They have mutagenic and carcinogenic potential. Maximum action is exerted at S phase, but toxicity usually exhibited in G2 phase. Hashtag side_effects, cardiotoxicity, arrhythmias, hypotension, congestive heart failure, alopecia, stomatitis, vomiting. Urine may be red-colored. Hashtag therapeutic_uses, used as antineoplastic drugs. Vinblastine sulfate. Vinblastine sulfate. Hashtag formulations, vinblastine injection. Hashtag pharmacological_action. It is primarily employed along with other drugs in Hodgkin's disease, Kaposi sarcoma, neuroblastoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, etc. Hashtag side_effects, neurotoxicity, alopecia, local tissue necrosis. Hashtag brand_names, uniblastine, cytoblastine. Hashtag therapeutic_uses, used as antineoplastic drugs. Cisplatin. Cisplatin. Hashtag formulations, cisplatin injection IP. Hashtag brand_names, neoplastin, plastinex, platinol, aquaplat. Hashtag pharmacological_action. The platinum coordination complexes enter cells and are hydrolyzed intercellularly to produce a highly reactive moiety which causes cross-linking of DNA. The favored site is N of guanine residue. It can also react with SH groups of cytoplasmic and nuclear proteins. The effects resemble those of alkylating agents and radiation. It is slowly excreted unchanged in urine with AT 1/2 of about 72 hours. Negligible amount enters brain. Hashtag side_effects, tinnitus, deafness, sensory neuropathy, and hyperuricemia. Hashtag dose, IV infusion 50 to 100 mg/m superscript 2 BSA every 3 to 4 weeks. Hashtag therapeutic_uses, used as antineoplastic drugs. Dromostanolone propionate. Dromostanolone propionate. Hashtag formulations, dromostanolone propionate injection. Hashtag brand_names, Masterol, Masterin, Dralban, Mastisol, Premastrol, Permethylone. Hashtag therapeutic_uses, used as antineoplastic drugs.